In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 301 redirects for your Weebly site. This process is essential for maintaining your website's SEO credibility, especially if you're moving content around or redesigning your site. A 301 redirect seamlessly forwards your visitors from an old URL to a new one, ensuring nobody gets lost along the way. Let's get started by first navigating to your Weebly site editor. This is your primary hub for making changes to your site. At the top of this page, you'll see a variety of options, but our focus is on the Settings menu. Go ahead and click on Settings in that top bar. This will take you to a section with different options that you can customize for your website, ranging from general site settings to specific integrations. Once you're in the Settings area, look to the left panel. You'll notice various categories listed there, but for our task today, we are interested in the SEO option. Give that a click. This is where all the magic happens for optimizing your site's performance on search engines. Whether you're tweaking keywords or working on redirects, this is the place to be. Now, scroll down to the very bottom of the SEO section. It might take a couple of seconds to find what you're looking for, but don't worry, it's all straightforward. You should see a section specifically labeled for 301 redirects. This is where you're going to add your new redirects. These are vital for telling search engines that a page has moved permanently and ensuring that link equity, or the page value, transfers directly to the new URL. To add a new redirect, you'll just need to click on the Add Redirect button. It's a simple and effective feature. Once you click that, you'll be prompted to enter the details of your redirect. First, you need the old URL, the one that's obsolete or being updated. Then, specify where you want your visitors to land by entering the destination URL. Make sure both URLs are entered accurately to avoid any mishaps in redirecting traffic. Once you've entered these details, take a moment to double-check everything. It's important to ensure there are no mistakes, as incorrect information could lead to broken paths or errors for your visitors. When you're satisfied, go ahead and click Save. This action will finalize the redirect setup, making it active on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully added a 301 redirect for your Weebly site. It's that simple, yet incredibly effective in keeping your site's navigation smooth and maintaining your SEO integrity. Thanks for watching. And be sure to check out more tips to optimize your site further.